Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to talk about logs and how to use the logging module. Logs are messages that your program writes during execution to help you track its behavior, debug issues, and monitor its status. So let's get started. First of all, we need to set up the logging file. So log_path equal os.path.join parentheses log_dir, comma, log_file. New line, os.makeDirs, parentheses, log_dir, comma, exist_ok equal true. New line, handler equal rotating file handler, parentheses. This allows us to write logs to a file and automatically creates a new file when the current one gets too big. New line, log_path, comma, new line, max bytes equal 512, comma, backup count equal, let's say 3. In this way, we are going to create a maximum of 3 backups every time the size of the log file exceeds max bytes. New line, formatter equal logging.formatter, parentheses, %, parentheses, ask time s. Hyphen, %, parentheses, level name. S hyphen %, parentheses, message s. In this way we are formatting the message that is going to appear on the log file. New line, handler dot set formatter, parentheses, formatter. New line, logger equal logging dot get logger, parentheses, new line, logger dot set level, parentheses, logging dot info. New line, logger dot add handler, parentheses, handler. Calling this function allows us to easily use and store logs from our program. Now let's add some logging to this class bank account, logging.info, parentheses, fstring, account for, curly brackets, owner, created with $, curly brackets, balance. Let's add another log, logging.info, parentheses, fstring, curly brackets, self.owner, deposit, $, curly brackets, amount, parenthesis, balance, column, dollar symbol, curly brackets, self dot balance. We can create also other types of logs, so let's do it. Elif amount double equals 0 column new line logging dot warning parenthesis f string deposit must be bigger than 0. Else column new line logging dot error parenthesis f string deposit can't be negative. Now let's add also to the withdraw function elif amount less or equal than 0 column new line logging dot warning parenthesis f string withdraw must be greater than 0. New line elif amount bigger than self dot balance column new line logging dot error parenthesis f string you can't withdraw dollar curly brackets amount. Now let's try to run this program and see what's happened. So we generated the logs folder and the bank.log file. Let's run it again to generate also the backups. As you can see, other 4 lines. Let's run it again. Okay, and as you can see, we generated also the backup. So here are the most recent logs, and in the backup files you can find the older logs. Now let's recap. Lesson 22 hyphen logging. We learn about the module logging and how to use a rotating file handler to manage the size of the logs. And we learn how to use info, error, and warning. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.